Good morning. As you know, your first paper is poetry and drama. Today we will study poem My Last Duchess from poetry section. My Last Duchess is composed by Robert Browning. Browning was the major Victorian poet. Browning was the major Victorian poet. First, second, he was contemporary of Tennyson, Alfred Lloyd Tennyson. These are short questions. Major Victorian poet, contemporary of Tennyson, and as a poet of love and hope. He is known for his intellectual vigor and psychological study of human nature. Educated mostly at home. उनकी एजुकेशन कहाँ पर हुई थी? मोस्टली होम पर हुई थी. ही वॉज वेल वर्स्ड इन आर्ट्स. ब्राउनिंग्स इंटरेस्ट इज नॉट इन डेकोरेटिंग. डेकोरेशन में उनका विश्वास नहीं था, बट इन रिवेलिंग द ट्रुथ. बट रिवेलिंग इन द ट्रुथ. As a poet of love and hope, his poetry is the finest in the world. समझ रहे हैं ना? His poetry is the finest in the world. Why? क्यों उनके poetry world में finest थी? Because it doesn't talks about idols and gates of heaven. This is also a short question. ये अगेन आपके एक शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन पुटअप हो रहा है कि जो रॉबर्ट ब्राउनिंग है, रॉबर्ट्स ब्राउनिंग्स पोइट्री वॉज वाई द फाइनेस्ट आर्ट इन द वर्ल्ड. इट डजंट टॉक्स अबाउट द आइडल्स एंड गेट्स ऑफ हेवन. सो इन हिज पोएम्स, इन हिज लव पोएम्स, ही एक्सप्रेसेस इमॉर्टल मूमेंट when one forgot the past. Means here is optimist thoughts. Poets optimist thoughts. Poet यहाँ पर क्या है? एक आशावादी विचार बता रहा है. Immortal moments when one forgets the past and future in love for one's beloved. This is also a love poem. As a man means here as a man he was a sculptor, painter, musician as well as poet and humorist. Means a man of qualities. उनके अंदर बहुत सारी प्रतिभाएं थी, जैसे वो एक मूर्तिकार के रूप में, पेंटर के रूप में, म्यूजिशियन के रूप में और एक ह्यूमरिस्ट के रूप में अपने आप को प्रेजेंट करते हैं. अबाउट द पोएम. Next, these are short questions, and by these short questions we can prepare a long question. First, published in 1842 in dramatic lyrics. When was it first published? In 1842. And in which? In dramatic lyrics. And later it published, later included in dramatic romances. Means dramatic lyrics and dramatic romances both are important. ब्राउनिंग इज ऑलवेज इंटरेस्ट इन कैरेक्टर्स. ब्राउनिंग का इंटरेस्ट किस में था? हमने पहले भी देखा है कि ब्राउनिंग का इंटरेस्ट किस में था. ये गेट ऑफ हेवंस और इनमें नहीं था. इसीलिए ब्राउनिंग इज ऑलवेज इंटरेस्टेड इन कैरेक्टर्स दैट हैव समथिंग abnormal characters. In which abnormal characters, something abnormal about them. This monologue also takes up the subject of jealousy without any love, cruelty of self-love. This is a monologue. Monologue means in dramatic monologue, a monologue is a character. A monologue is a character. Addresses a silent listener. Addresses a silent listener. A speech in poetic medium. A speech in poetic medium. Definition of dramatic monologue. It is also short question, 5 marks question and a long question also. A speech in poetic medium with dominant dramatic note. It could be recited before an audience. Okay, next, the theme, the characters that belongs to this poem. Which characters are included in this poem? Characters in the poem: Italian Duke. Who was Italian Duke? Italian Duke, this monologue is spoken by Italian Duke. यह जो मोनोलॉग है ये किसने बोला है? इटालियन ड्यूक ने. एंड हु वॉज इटालियन ड्यूक? अल्फोंसो सेकंड, फिफ्थ ड्यूक ऑफ फेरेरा. Who was Italian Duke? Alfonso II? Maybe, not sure. And next, Duchess. Next, Duchess. Who was Duchess? Duchess was the Lucrezia D. Fra Pandolf. And Messenger, Envy of Count. Italian Duke. This monologue is spoken by Italian Duke. Alfonso II, source of this story. Duchess, who was Duchess? Lucrezia D. Frau Pandolf. Frau Pandolf was a painter. Many times this question asked by examiner, paper setter in paper, who was the painter in my last Duchess? What is the name of Duchess? Who was? What is the source of this story? By whom this monologue was spoken? And messenger or envy of the count. Who was the listener? Who was the listener in this monologue? The messenger or the envy of count? The listener of the monologue. The Duke. The poem presents a character of Duke of Ferrara and his late wife. This monologue depicts a picture of Duke of Ferrara and late wife. The Duke is of a jealous and greedy nature. What is the type of Duke's nature? The nature of Duke was jealous and greedy. He killed his previous wife. Why he killed his previous wife? She was sweet. He killed his previous wife because he was sweet and courteous with everybody. Why? It means the sweetness or courtesy is the punishment of Lady Duchess. She was her smiles were not reserved for her husband alone. So she was killed. Her thought is blow his dignity. He thought it blow his dignity, means her nature blow the dignity of Duke. The Duke, instead of correcting his mistakes, found it more convenient to get her murdered. Means क्या बता रहा है यहाँ पर कि ड्यूक ने अपने नेचर में, शी वॉज अ परफेक्ट लेडी, वह एक बिल्कुल परफेक्ट लेडी थी, और ड्यूक ने क्या किया, अपने आप में करेक्शन करने के बजाय क्या किया, उसने लेडी मैकबेथ को, जो डचेस है हमारी, डचेस को मर्डर करवा देते हैं, डचेस का मर्डर करवा देता है वो. एंड इन दिस मैनर, थ्रू हिज नरेशन, द ड्यूक रिवेल्स द कैरेक्टर ऑफ डचेस as a frank, charming girl who came from happy home at a bright and eager bride. Means she was a perfect lady. She loved to pet and mule and was delight when someone brought her a gift of cherries. Means she have no different between her husband and anybody. She was a great lady, so she do such type. she loved to watch sunset from her terrace. The Duke reveals his greedy nature as he cleverly lays down before the envy his expectations of rich dowry. Means he was also a greedy person, greedy duke. Thus, it is on an intense ironical note that the poem comes to an end. Means by this poem we can know the nature of Duke. Duke was a greedy person and he was a man of jealousy. So Browning depicts a beautiful picture and a real life of Alfonso II, 5th Duke of Ferrara. And in this manner we also know the critical appreciation of Robert Browning's another poem, Last Ride Together. First, when was this poem published? This poem was published in 1855, Man and Woman. कौन से उसमें? मैन एंड वुमन में इसका पब्लिकेशन हुआ था. फर्स्ट इंट्रोडक्शन. द लास्ट राइड टुगेदर इज considered to be a one of loveliest poem written by Browning. Browning ने जो भी poems लिखी है उनमें से ये भी एक बहुत beautiful picture depicts करता है इसमें. A dramatic monologue. Dramatic monologue Last Ride Together is published in Man and Woman, and in a dramatic monologue a character addresses a silent listener, as we already studied. And subject matter or theme of the poem, Last Ride Together, signifies that last meeting of lover and his mistress. What is the subject matter of this poem? The subject matter of this poem, Last Ride Together, signifies that last meeting of the lover and his mistress before their physical separation. The last ride together becomes the eternal experiences of love in the process of its sublimation. Process of its sublimation by the lover. He writes imaginatively. It is not a reality. It is an imaginative picture. Browning's philosophy of life. Browning believes that life is struggle towards. Browning's attitude about life was positive. So, Browning believes that life is a struggle towards attaining perfection. The purpose of life as of love is travel hopefully in this direction. ब्राउनिंग का क्या है लाइफ के लिए? ब्राउनिंग का ये मानना है कि जो हमारा जीवन का उद्देश्य है, हमारी लाइफ का जो पर्पज है, वो एक होपफुल डायरेक्शन में होना चाहिए. इंस्टेड ऑफ पेसिमिज्म वी शुड ऑलवेज बी ऑप्टिमिस्ट. It is within the power of man's spirit root out the sting of failure and make it better than success. कि हम सब फेलियर से ज़्यादा अच्छा सक्सेस में कर सकते हैं. Browning's view on arts. Browning's view on arts. Indirectly, Browning expressed his view on art through the disappointed lover. All the artists aim at ideal. All the artists aim at the ideal beauty, the ideal love, and the ideal life. But according to Browning, here is the philosophy of Browning is different from another. Browning, the actual beauty, the actual love, and the actual life are better. Human love can elevate a man. human love can elevate a man, as we have studied earlier. It can make a man equal to God. It can make equal to God. Why? It can create heaven on the earth. Means, according to Browning, the heaven or hell is according to our opinion on earth. The rejected lover felt heavenly joy in the company of his beloved. He says that it is heaven. He wished to have her company forever. He wished that instant might be changed to eternity. Means, जो ब्राउनिंग है, ब्राउनिंग का यह मानना है, ब्राउनिंग ये कहता है कि उसके जो बिलव्ड है, उसके बिलव्ड के साथ वो अगर उसे एक बार मौका मिल जाए, एक बार वो उसके साथ राइडिंग कर ले, तो वो राइडिंग का जो मोमेंट होगा, चाहे वो बाद में उसको रिजेक्ट कर दे, तो वो मोमेंट होगा वो हमेशा एटर्नल हो जाएगा, हमेशा शाश्वत हो जाएगा, हमेशा के लिए अमर हो जाएगा. एंड thus we can say that poem is a psychological study in which the psychological study. And in conclude we can say about Browning's Browning view towards life is everything is on earth. It depends on our feelings. Okay, thank you.